Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about how to actually become a quote-unquote influencer. So maybe a lot of you follow bloggers, Instagrammers. You think, I wish I could have that life. I wish I could make content, help people, meet people, maybe make some money from it too. Like maybe those are all goals you have, but you really just don't know where to start. Today, I'm just gonna give you 3 simple places to start, 3 simple things to do. And I'm really excited to be partnering with Dot Online for this video. And we're gonna get into what they are and how they're gonna help you out today in just a second. A lot of people say that the market is way oversaturated and there's way too many bloggers, there's way too many YouTubers. And honestly, I say if you have something to share with the world, share it, start it. Who cares if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out, but at least you tried, because if you never try to put your content out there, no one is ever gonna see it. In the words of Michael Scott, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Take the shot. Who cares what your friends say? Who cares what people say? Oh, you only have 100 followers. Like, you're not an influencer. And you just say, well, everyone starts at 100 followers. Everyone starts at 0 followers, actually. So who says I'm not gonna make my way there someday? Okay, now that the little motivational speech is over, let's get into how you can actually start your influence today. So the first thing is to decide where you want your content to be. I recommend starting with just one of these to begin with. So your main content can be on Instagram, a blog, YouTube, or a podcast. As you guys know, I have a YouTube, an IG, and a podcast, but I definitely just started with YouTube. You guys probably know that with a podcast and a blog, you need some kind of a landing page to bring people to where your blog's gonna be, where your podcast is gonna be. And I actually recommend having your own website, even if you just wanna be an Instagram model or you just wanna be a health YouTuber. I still recommend having a landing page, and that is gonna help your SEO. So when people are searching your name on Google, it's gonna help with that and just help people from all around find your content. So you may be like, well, how do I have a website, Hannah? Well, it starts with a domain. I wanted to give you guys a quick definition of the word domain in case you don't know what it means. So a domain name is a unique name for your website. This is the address that helps a user reach your site the same way you would use your home address. It's a little home for your brand. Therefore, it is important that you select the right domain name because it's the first touch point of your brand. So for example, my current website is hannahashton.com. So you may be worried that once you have your decided username or name for your content that it's already taken as a domain, like hannahashton.com, something like that. Well guys, never fear, I have a company for you guys, and it is gonna allow you to get a domain for .online. It would be like hannahashton.online. As I went through the process of finding my domain a few years ago, I know how hard it is, whether you are being an influencer or starting a side hustle, how hard it is to get a website and get a domain that is as outstanding as your ideas and your business or your content are. And that is why .online is here to help. The internet now offers domains other than .com, .org, .net. Domains such as .online. What I love about this is that the website address becomes more than a website address. It becomes a message, a story, even a brand positioning statement, in fact. You can wear your creative hat and come up with really outstanding names such as Boss Babe Goes .online or Gold Digging .online. I'm sure you already have an idea for your cool name .online right now, so go register it, snag it at 90% off. As a business owner myself, I understand that building a profitable business is tough. With .online, you can make your domain name easy. Get your .online domain now at www.get.online and use code Hannah to get 90% off your registration for 1 year. Another benefit of using .online is that with it you get a sharper and more relevant domain for your business, so you don't need to compromise ever if your desired domain name is unavailable on .com. Also, the versatile nature of .online makes it perfect for all types of businesses, whether you are a startup, an established brand, a restaurant, a podcast, a blogger. This is just for your Instagram, whatever it is, there's a relevant .online domain available for you. Number 3, it is search engine friendly. .online is not only popular, but also treated equal to .com, .org, etc. in its organic search rankings by Google, so no need to worry about showing up late on that. And number 4, it is globally incredibly popular. Over 1 million .online domains have already been registered across 170 countries around the world. And even for non-English speaking countries, .online is understandable, giving your domain a global touch. And like I said, even if your main content's gonna be housed on YouTube or Instagram, still having a landing page where brands can go see a media kit or see some of your content. If you have multiple channels, like one place with all of it is gonna be so beneficial. So grab your domain right now at the link below. Step 2 is going to be to know your niche and answer a problem for your audience, or what are you solving with this content. So by niche, I mean like brand, genre, who are you? So for me and my YouTube videos, I am in the women's lifestyle, college girl, self-improvement type of genre. So you won't see me making conspiracy videos like Shane Dawson, like that's just not my genre on YouTube. So getting to know your niche and your genre is really gonna help you be specific, because like many people who start out with a YouTube channel, they try to post everything. They'll do some cooking videos, they'll do some vlogs, they'll do some travel diaries, they'll just do a little bit of everything, which is fine to do if you don't know what you like yet. But once you figure out, okay, I like doing vlogs and I like talking about what I eat in the day, once you figure that out, then make that your niche. Your niche is going to be healthy eating and healthy eating vlogs and what I eat in a day. So then you're able to make videos in your target audience and allows people to come to your channel or your Instagram blog, you know, whatever. But for this example, I'm doing YouTube channel. They're going to come to your channel, see your types of videos that you're doing and be like, okay, that's what she does. That is what I'm going to be able to expect from her. She's going to solve the problem of me being bored with my food, not knowing what to eat, but wanting to eat healthy. That's the problem she's solving for me. I'm going to click subscribe. Think about your favorite YouTubers and why you decided to subscribe to them. You're gonna need to give that same sense of urgency to the people that come to your content. And let's say you just wanna make funny videos or funny Instagrams or pretty Instagram pictures. What you could be solving is just entertainment. People just like to come to your blog for an entertaining read or listen to your podcast for a laugh. It doesn't have to be like my videos where I give you guys step-by-step things. It could just be you're just giving them entertainment. And then the last step to getting you on your way to being the influencer you've always wanted to be is to research that field. So let's say you're podcasting. Maybe you don't have the money to buy a brand new mic right now. That's okay. There's many cheaper alternatives you can do, but start researching. If I did buy a mic, what would be the best mic to buy? If I did put some music into my podcast, like what kind of vibe would I want for my intro and outro music? If I did start getting sponsors, what kind of brands would I reach out for? Who would I want to reach out to me? Same thing for Instagram, YouTube, blog, find the best cameras, find other people in your niche, and just like do your research so that you feel like you are on top, you know what's going on in your industry, you know what's going on in the influencer social media world, and you feel like that once you start being consistent and start growing, you're gonna know how to keep up with the growth. Those are my 3 steps to becoming an influencer. Obviously there's steps after this too, you know, working with brands and getting a logo, but don't worry about that right now. Like just focus on these first 3 things and you will be in the right direction. Definitely check out the link below so that you can get your domain at .online. If you guys do make a domain, like let me know, send me a picture on Instagram, comment on this video what it is so I can check out your website. Okay guys, I love you so much and I will see you next time with another video. Bye, peace out.